In today's fast paced world, customer loyalty is compete for the top spot. They often forget that customers' loyalty is the key to long term success. According to recent research, businesses that have a loyal customer base are more likely to be successful in long run. However, building the customer loyalty isn't easy and it's require a lot of effort and attention to detail. Customer retention rates have been steadily declining over the years, with only a small percentage of customers remain loyalty to their particular brand. But the implementing effective strategies, businesses can not only retain their existing customers but also attract new ones. In fact, research shown that 75% of customers are more likely to stay loyal to a business that listens to their feedbacks and makes changes accordingly. One of the key strategies to increase customer loyalty is provide excellent customer service. By providing an exceptional customer experience, businesses can not only retain their customer but also turn them into loyal brand ambassadors. Another important factor in building customer loyalty is social media. With the rise of social media, customers have more power than ever before. By engaging with customers on social media, businesses can not only address their concerns but also turn them into loyal brand advocates. And finally, businesses can also increase customers' loyalty by implementing customer loyalty programs. These programs not only incentivize customers to keep coming but also provide valuable data that can be used to improve customer experience. In conclusion, increasing customer providing excellent customer service, engaging with customers on social media, and implementing customers' loyalty programs which used by AI technology and business can not only retain their customers but also turn them into loyal brand ambassadors. So what are you waiting for? Use AI for these kind of business improvements. Start building customers loyalty programs today and provide me some feedbacks based on your usage of AI in this side of study. Thank you for watching.